so that is why I put up in here. And my friend Kelsey already hates and Kelsey already hates us. And she's gonna go and put in her crazy button. That's what I can do. Go to sleep. Are you doing a bun or a ponytail? A bun. Oh, you know you love smell. You better be like that. You didn't have your bun in yet. I'm gonna have to put this in the scarf because my mom should know that I don't have a freaking bonnet. See. Hello, how's the food? I heard you have the charcoal. Wow, you're not ready? Wow, how's your raw? Hello. Sorry if I'm smacking. Model X, the one that we had, that's our owner car. We need to have a little discussion, okay? Because I heard that you texted Sarah, and I keep trying to tell her that she stopped it. I have to tell you this, but I was in the room with your mom when she had her. You were in the room when she had her adopted? No, when she was having her. I saw her coming out. That's world. She saw you coming out. Yes, I did. I saw her with her daddy with his hand. Hear that, Mom? She saw everything. She saw everything. Okay, did Sarah have poop on her when she came out? Whatever, lies. You're white and I'm brown. My mom. We got our food cooking up tonight. So before we return the car, the Tesla. You love Tesla. Tesla's your favorite car. What's your favorite kind of car? I want to say that it's actually yours. I bought it for you. Congratulations. Oh, you did? Oh, you were there? Oh, so you. Before we return the car, you gotta drive. You have to drive. You have to know we're driving a Tesla car that the doors don't open like ours does. Because ours, you know what I'm saying? If it was ours, I would just guys, I would just walk up and it would just open. But you know, it's a Tesla car. I'm just kidding. The car's actually kind of really. You want to play your phone? You want to play? That's your iPhone. Look, it says actually iPhone. Oh, about that. But no, honestly, the Tesla is really cool. But I do like the Model X better, right? I kind of feel like the Model X is a little bit better. But yeah, look, I actually have good news. So I actually. It's dark now. So I know that if I drive the Tesla with the head, hold on, stop. The head is all I see when I go outside. I'm like looking outside and it looks very creepy. This is all I see. What were you doing? Swing like how you're swinging. Swing like how you're swinging. Swing. So I'm like, we're like driving up and I hear swinging in circles. Okay, so I'm texting Tesla right now. Actually, we're gonna keep your Model X over the weekend. Some people with the loan. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have the car for the whole weekend. They're not gonna do that. Yeah, no. Well, they still need to make repairs, which is why we're gonna keep this car for now. We're gonna have the whole weekend. Yeah. And I'm really tired. We just got back to the house right now, and I think I'm gonna call it a night. I was pretty much my first vlog on this channel. I don't know how I did, but I want y'all to actually let me know. Leave me feedback down in the comments below. We're hanging out, we're putting on with Check out the
Let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll be trying to continue with these daily vlogs, guys. If you enjoyed them, make sure you get a big thumbs up, and make sure that you guys remember we are going to be doing an iPhone giveaway. Matter of fact, I need to make that link. So if I just put it in here, you see the link in the description of the video. To win an iPhone, all you gotta do is click the link. The more things you do on the link, the more of a chance you win an iPhone.
guys. I haven't seen you either.
I love y'all. Tomorrow morning when I call.
If you go back to sleep, I'm gonna do it again. Better not.
Babe!
So, I have a question for you. Are you bored of quarantine?
We're literally watching the show right now.
What is wrong with you?
Yes, I'm bored. You know, I want to go film bangers, and I can't because we're in this stupid quarantine and we gotta stay home. I don't want to stay home anymore.
I've been on Instagram like all day today, and I was looking at your profile, and a lot of your fans want to know when are you getting rid of YouTube?
Which fans want to know what?
I don't know, there's a bunch of comments asking.
I have literally never seen them ask one question.
That's been a problem for quite some time now, and because I'm not a big fan of that, and you know that.
Where did you know about that?
On your Instagram comments, what do you mean?
Man, I have not seen anybody, literally anybody, like,
What?
comment that. Like, look, none of my comments even say anything about my video game, never seen any comments about it. I just feel like you're the one that doesn't like it still.
Wait, why would I only just like?
Because you told me that you don't like fake players
I
before.
know, I don't like it, but if you want me to remember and like, but I'm just asking you because you're going to say.
I think that, I think, no. I think that you're making up an excuse because you just want me to look like a little baby and you don't want me to have pictures of that. But like, I would feel like no, we don't do it, but I think like, when I'm picture. And like, the thing about it is like, I have a really big guy on it, and I just told you that it actually is cool. So,
Well, obviously not if you're asking for
hey, every time that I posted, should I get rid of my beard, everybody has messaged me. I mean, some people have voted that they want it gone, but I mean, I want to make it look, for one, make it look older, and for two, it makes it cooler. Like, think about everybody like that is cool in the world, like LeBron James, Brady, like,
so
but like, think about that. All guys have facial hair. It's literally true. Name one cool person that doesn't have facial hair. Like, come on, I need you to. You know what? I look dirty with a mustache too. Like, I kind of look like I'm like, I look super Mexican if I have the mustache. So that's why I don't look mustache. Why do you need that? No, it looks great. It looks good. Like, I shaved it, I shaved it and like I still look like a baby. So like I'm when I look it good. You're just taking yourself out of the camera. Okay, let's do it. There's just 30 minutes left. I'm not even change. I'm not even like ready to vlog today. I didn't know we were doing it.
Because we don't have any content. Okay, I'm just we're gonna have to vlog tomorrow morning if you wanna vlog today.
Okay, well that's fine. Turn it off. Hey,
Okay, I will.
It's nasty.
What are you doing? Why are you recording? What?
Good morning.
What are you doing? Why do you have that?
I gave you a little trim. Yes,
No, you didn't.
I did.
Hey, show
Yes, I did.
Babe,
I'm gonna keep thinking you want to finish it.
stop! Babe, what are you doing?
You have to make it even. Why did?
Stop! What are you doing? It's fine right now. What are you doing? I was asleep.
Well, there's kind of like a little messy there.
I was asleep right now.
Obviously, I know you're asleep right now.
It's cold up in here.
You have to get up. It's 9.
Hey, and wake me up to cutting my hair. You're lucky that you didn't leave a big hat.
Well, I know that.
You're lucky that you
I
didn't.
put this guard on so that you would not get hurt.
This is why you were telling me.
No, that's not why. That's not why I was doing it.
Remember when we left it in the middle of the night teaching me?
With all that hair in the bed? No.
Stop.
If you go back to sleep, I'm gonna do it again.
You better not. Don't even think about it. Put it back. You didn't mess it up that
It's
bad.
73.
Babe!
73.
Okay, out. Next time, out with it. Put it out with it. Wait, trying to cut my hair. We're trying to. 31 minutes, please.
30 more minutes, we have to go.
Just 30 more minutes.
You didn't even the point system. What do you mean to me? I did this because you really. Where are you going? No, what are you doing? Finn, are you really mad? Babe, are you really mad? What do you mean?
This part is shorter than this part.
What do you mean? I don't see it.
Babe, no.
No, you don't. Oh my gosh, there's a big fat. There's a big old.
Cut it out. It looks funny now. It looks funny now. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
That's not funny for the camera. It's not funny. I literally just got off the how funny is it?
It looks so much better now. That looks super good.
I never cut your hair. I never want to cut your hair.
Well, now that leaves you no choice but to put it off.
I look dumb.
Finn,